Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Boho Baby Room is probably one of the most enchanting and personalized spaces you can create for your little one, blending natural elements, earthy tones, and a touch of free-spirited charm to foster a serene and inspiring environment that grows with your child. This style embraces a relaxed, eclectic aesthetic, moving away from rigid themes and instead focusing on creating a warm, inviting sanctuary filled with textures, patterns, and unique finds that tell a story and spark imagination, making it a truly special haven for both baby and parents. Number 5. KAKAMAY Large Woven Blanket Basket. Crafted from 100% natural cotton rope, this basket is soft, chemical-free, and safe for your little ones and pets. It's designed to be durable and maintain its shape, offering a gentle storage solution. With its large dimensions, it's perfect for storing blankets, pillows, toys, or laundry. Keep your living space tidy and organized with this versatile storage solution. This decorative basket offers a stylish alternative to clutter. Its subtle colors and woven design complement any home decor, adding a touch of elegance to your rooms. It's soft yet sturdy, making it ideal for baby clothes and toys. Built with the highest grade materials, it's designed for years of reliable use without fraying or falling apart. The basket arrives folded but easily regains its shape when filled. It's also washable by hand or machine, and can be air-dried or tumble-dried on a delicate cycle. What we like? This is a large, natural cotton rope basket, perfect for storing all your baby's essentials. It's soft, safe for kids and pets, and can even be machine washed. If you're looking for a durable and versatile storage solution that complements a boho aesthetic, this is an excellent choice for keeping your nursery tidy. What people say. The mobile is made of high-quality, natural materials like wood and felt, ensuring it's safe and durable for babies. The design is aesthetically pleasing, with a neutral color palette that complements various nursery themes and adds a touch of bohemian charm. It's easy to assemble and attach to a crib or stroller, making it versatile for use in different settings. Number 4. JMvicyroam Large Woven Laundry Basket Hamper. Introducing a large, woven laundry basket hamper designed to blend seamlessly into your home. Its generous 60L capacity is perfect for storing blankets, toys, and clothes. This decorative tall hamper adds a touch of style to any room. It's ideal for keeping your living spaces tidy and organized. Use it in the baby nursery to store essentials, or in the bathroom and bedroom for everyday laundry. Its versatile design fits any decor. Crafted from durable cotton rope, this hamper is built to last. It offers a sturdy and attractive solution for your storage needs. The rich brown color complements a variety of interior styles. It's a practical yet elegant addition to your home organization. Make laundry day easier with this tall, woven hamper. It holds a substantial amount, reducing the frequency of trips to the laundry room. What we like? This tall and spacious hamper offers a generous 60-liter capacity, ideal for managing laundry or storing blankets and toys. Its natural cotton rope construction and stylish brown hue fit perfectly into a boho nursery. If you need a large capacity, decorative hamper that keeps your living space organized and stylish, this is the one for you. What people say. The mobile is very cute and well made. The colors are vibrant and exactly as pictured. It's a perfect addition to the nursery decor. Number 3. ZICOTO Decorative Nursery Bookshelves, Set of 3. Introducing the perfect addition to your nursery furniture. These beautiful floating shelves are a decorative gem for any nursery or kids' room. Enjoy endless possibilities with these wall shelves. Use them for books, photos, small toys, or even baby essentials like diapers and powder. This set provides ample space with each shelf measuring 16.5 by 4.5 by 4.5 inches. You get 3 shelves, perfect for various uses around the room. Thanks to its robust construction in solid wood, you can confidently place books or other heavier favorites on these shelves without worry. Mounting each shelf is extremely easy with the included keyhole mounts. Hardware and an installation guide are provided for a hassle-free setup. What we like? This set of 3 floating shelves offers a beautiful and practical way to display your baby's books and small treasures. Made from sturdy solid wood with a natural brown and white finish, they easily mount to the wall. If you want to add charming, functional decor to your child's room and keep their favorite items within reach, these shelves are a fantastic option. What people say. The product is very cute and looks exactly like the picture. The material is soft and durable, perfect for a baby's room. Easy to assemble and looks great in the nursery. Number 2. Insular Little Bear Boho Muslin Baby Blanket. Experience the ultimate comfort with our premium muslin cotton blanket. It's incredibly soft, breathable, and lightweight, ensuring your baby stays comfortable without overheating. The gentle fabric is perfect for delicate skin. Add a touch of boho charm to your nursery with this beautifully designed blanket. Featuring cute tassels on all 4 sides, its 4-layer construction provides extra softness and warmth. This generously sized blanket is perfect for newborns, babies, and toddlers. Use it as an air-conditioned blanket, in the crib, as a stroller cover, or for nap time. Looking for an ideal gift? This muslin blanket is a wonderful choice for baby showers, birthdays, holidays, and any occasion celebrating a new arrival. Keeping it clean is simple. Gently machine wash in cold water with light colors. Avoid bleach and tumble dry on low. Please be mindful of hardware that may snag the fabric. What we like? This soft and breathable muslin blanket features a lovely boho design with cute tassels. It's generously sized and perfect for swaddling, as a crib blanket, or even as a nursing cover. If you're seeking a gentle, stylish, and versatile blanket for your baby that doubles as a beautiful nursery decor piece, this is an ideal gift or personal purchase. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for a baby's sensitive skin. The design is very cute and fits well with the boho theme. Easy to assemble and looks great in the nursery. Number 1. BEBE BASK Handmade Wicker Cloud Decor. Introducing the BEBE BASK Handmade Wicker Cloud Decor Set. These charming rattan clouds add a touch of whimsical beauty to any space. This set includes 2 beautifully crafted cloud decorations, perfect for creating a dreamy atmosphere. They are designed to bring a unique, handmade feel to your room. Ideal for a baby nursery, these cloud decorations create a serene and enchanting environment for your little one. They are a wonderful addition to a child's room. Made from natural rattan, these decorations offer a warm and earthy aesthetic. Their cloud shape is both playful and elegant, fitting seamlessly into various decor styles. These delightful cloud decors are especially suited for a girl's room, adding a soft and imaginative touch. They create a magical backdrop for playtime and rest. Experience the quality and artistry of BEBE BASK with these unique wall decor pieces. They are designed to inspire joy and wonder in your home. What we like? These charming handmade wicker cloud decorations add a whimsical touch to any nursery wall. Crafted from natural rattan, they bring a soft, boho-inspired element to your decor. If you're looking to create a dreamy and unique atmosphere in your baby's room with simple yet impactful decorative pieces, this set is a perfect choice. What people say. The quality of the material is excellent, very soft and durable. The design is absolutely adorable, perfect for a boho-themed nursery. Easy to assemble and fits perfectly in the crib. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.